Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shon. Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this cute new background. This was a DIY project that me and my husband worked on together. Shout out to my husband for helping me complete this wall. I would not have been able to do this without him. So believe it or not, y'all, we used only 2 products to get this wall together, and they both came from Dollar Tree. So the first product that we used was an adhesive covering. We bought 16 of those, and we used a squeegee, and that's it. So for just the wall, we spent $17. If you guys want to see how we accomplished this wall, make sure you guys stay tuned. So we first started by fixing all the imperfections on the wall. Any spots that, where there were previous holes, we smoothed them out. And places like where there was like patchwork done before and it was painted over, we also tried to smooth those out a little bit, just to give us a nice clean flat surface to work with. Next, we cleaned the wall. You can use any all-purpose cleaner. I believe we used bleach, and we just sprayed the wall and took some paper towels and kind of just lightly wiped over it just to make sure, if there was any dirt or any like residue from us fixing the holes in the wall, all that was cleaned up. So after we finished that, it was time for us to go ahead and start laying the adhesive covering. As we unrolled the adhesive covering, we noticed that there was a rigid line at the top and the bottom of the covering. So all we did was we just cut off that rigid line at the top of the covering, and we just left the bottom with the rigid line on it, because the one that is placed underneath of it, that rigid line will be cut off as well, and it will be placed over that end rigid line. So we started at the top, and we would lay the top first, and then we would come down and make sure everything was straight, make sure everything was lined up. And as we got the first part of the adhesive covering stuck onto the wall, the rest of the way we would just kind of squeegee down and make sure that all the air bubbles were out and that it was laying nice and flat. Sometimes we would have to pull the paper up if there were like air bubbles that we couldn't get out, and just kind of re-squeegee over that area to get the air bubble to come out. Now, as we continued to lay the adhesive covering side by side, we did have to kind of take our time and try to match up the designs as close as we could so that it would give us that flawless look at the end. Okay, so of course after we finished the whole top row, we started on the bottom row, and the same thing, we just had to make sure at the top and on the sides of each piece of adhesive covering that we added, we tried to match up the designs as precise as we could to continue giving us that flawless look. So like I said earlier, we bought 16 packs of the adhesive covering. We used 14 of them, 7 at the top and 7 at the bottom. It took us about an hour and a half to complete the whole wall. After we were done completing the wall, we added these from Five Below, and on them I added these cute little coffee mugs, and I got the coffee mugs from Dollar Tree as well. One says wifey, the other one says hers. I'm not 100% sure I'm going to leave those up there. I might find like some cute little candles or I don't know, something else. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep those up there. But yeah, I I think that this wall turned out super cute. I wasn't sure about it at first. As we finished the top row, my husband turned around and looked at it and was like, this is a lot. It's really busy. And I was like, yeah, it kind of is. But we continued and I am in love with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and let me know how you guys feel about the wall in the comment box below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you go ahead and do so. Don't forget to tap that alert button so that you are notified first when I post new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.